I've gotten so many comments on this, but I had to do a video on this. So here's a comment of one of my videos, my meme videos. It says, the viewing sequence is too fast. Not worth the effort of trying to speed read. Okay, I am going to teach you how to use the pause button. Okay, let's go to one of my videos. I think this is my video I did 2 days ago. Let's play this first. Okay, I put the volume down. So if you're having trouble reading the stuff, there's a button here. See this button? With the two lines? Press it. And guess what happens? The video stops. And then you can read the thingy. Okay? Let's try that again for the people who are very slow. The video's on. It's playing. Right? Wait till it gets the next one. Okay, so if you can't read this fast enough, press that button. See what I'm doing right here? Press that button. And look, it stops. And you can read the whole thing yourself.